Hello, hello, hello. We're going to do chest voice. And the exercise is 1-3-5 from the major scale. Listen to it. Okay, it's on ah. Ah, ah. Cheekbones are up, mouth is open. Woohoo! Support. Ah, ah. There you go. Ah, nice. Lift up for the high note. Oh, there it was. Okay, we're going to do it again. Here we go. Mouth open. Shoulders back. Woo. Ah, nice and open. Here we go. Ah, ah, ah. That's it. Keep going. Ah. Yes. Ah. This second exercise is the same 3 notes, but moved around a bit. Okay, here it is. Here you go. Let's do it on ah. Ah. Get that high note, okay? How about eh now? Eh. Woo! Do it again. Woo! That's it. One more time. E. E. Again. O. Now, you don't want to back off when you go for that high note, all right? Yes, let's do it again. Here we go. Ah. That's it. Oh! Eh. Eh. Again. Shoulders back. E. E. Woo! Come on. O. O. One more time. Come on, do the O. That's it. And that is definitely it. Okay, we're going to go to number 3. Get ready. On this exercise, we're going from the lowest note to the highest note. So make sure that you support for that high note. If you slide up to it, don't worry about it. Just try and aim the second time you go there. I'm going to add a consonant to it also. Again, we're going to start on ah to begin with. Here we go. Ah, 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 la, la, la. Again, woohoo! Now, le, le. Again with the le, le. One more time. Woo. Low. Woo. Again. Low, low. I added an L. Low. Oh, that was it. Let's do it again. And she won't make a mistake and add that L in there. I promise. Okay. Here we go. La. Again. Le. Le. One more time. Li. Oh. Li. Oh, come on. Lo. Lo, la, la. Go for that high note. Again. Okay, you did all three. Are you amazing or what? Yeah, it's great. You've got to continue to work your muscles. You can't just, meet them one day and then forget about them another day. You've got to continually work your muscles. And the reason for that is that your muscles are going to respond. When you go to sing that song, it's going to be so much better because your muscles are ready to do the work. You've been working them. They're going to work for you. All right? Now, if you don't have exercises, if you don't have any other exercises, then go to marquitawaters.com/warm. Get some warm-ups. If you like to have some exercises, you can come to Singing for a Lifetime. It's us girls. We do our exercises every week. It's live, okay? All right, so that's it. All I can say is you are amazing. Keep going. And if you're on YouTube, you got to subscribe. You got to ring the bell. And other than that, give me a comment. Let me know how you like the exercises. Were they hard to do? Were you singing strong or were you not singing strong, okay? Because that was chest voice. You got to sing strong. All right. Well, you have a wonderful singing day, okay? I'll see you. Bye, 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 bye. Such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day, yeah, yeah. Woo! Bye-bye.